So I have home screen. See, firstly, what I've done is I have start here. Okay. What I've done is I've kind of removed all the unnecessary unused imports from the TOML file. In the network, there was a class generated when I made the module that I've removed. Then you can see I've edited the use case where there is this when there is input and output both available. Here there is no input but only output, and then the other one. So I made 3 of those, and then I've changed it in the use case for what was that theme UI. So that I've done, and then naturally according to that I have to make changes in the view model settings. So get set themes use case. Now here I have to, now you can, because it's I made it operator function also, so then I don't have to write invoke. If I just call function here, that function will be called, and it's easier to read. And here also, if I can just do it like this, it will be inside here. I can pass, and that function will be called. And then I think here, so the thing is, this is features module, and I have put themes in a different module, and that's why I'm not getting the UI properly. So the solution was to like add themes here naturally, which like the themes in the is in the core, you can see, and this is in features, and it doesn't apply because of that. So what one solution was that I would create a function and I'll apply and then the thing in that function, and in that function I'll use, which is like that composable I'd use, and I figured I might as well just use the theme name. So that happened. The other one was like for dark and light mode. Species theme names. Here, actually, you know what? This is a themes thing. Let me just add. Now mode preview here. Model use case settings destinations. Where's my home? Great. Yeah. So what I'll do is paste it here. So like this, we can combine both the previews. Now, and additional settings, the best way is like next to the add preview annotation, there is a settings icon, and you can add more items here. So like the device, you can add like say you want to see foldable also, you can do that. A tablet also you can do. Dimensions you can specifically put out. I mean, you can see all the settings on the screen naturally, so I'm not going to say it out loud. Yeah, so you can choose. One thing I can do is I can also add like my test device is Android 10. I do plan on installing Lineage OS on it, so it's fun to see all those features. But that I'll do it later. Right now, the only thing advantages here of all is portrait and API level only. So check it now. Mode preview. I'll have to put this everywhere. Okay, and instead of downloading, I'll go to all the UI elements and then I'll put preview. Nice. See, I'm getting both of them, and here I'll put Shift R. Replace with now replace replace replace. I think home screen में I'll have to make these changes. Started. So let us make a view model for my main activity. I wanted to have a view model for this before. That was for okay, when I was getting intent. Never mind. And I think shouldn't this be? I think the next update can be they can also add imports automatically. Gemini. Okay. What do I need? UI states. Mm, what was the themes. Containers. Okay, this is next line though you should be able to generate. Now here get use case, no? Uh, there's no domain in the app. Okay. Features would be there. I think this is the only way. Depends on features. But then the theme is in the core, no? Features is correct. I think core and this is for themes. This is for the is it possible for me to do all of this in say a home screen? So in home screen, if I because I'm coming to the home screen anyways, but very well I hold the state. If I hold the state in the themes file, then okay. So I've added to the I've added features was anyways there because home pages and everything is in features. The domain I've added here. I think routing this through features also is unnecessary complication. It's something to think about later. Because how will right now I'm just doing this. So current theme and there's can't we just import? Great. Awesome. In the main activity, okay. Hmm. High contrast light. Contrast light. Contrast light. There is contrast array. Light and dark. There is medium contrast light. There is medium contrast dark. I'm guessing I've covered a lot of these. Now, so now There's no unused contrast light color scheme. Why? So okay, some problem. Uh, cool. Don't even know why this was there in the first place. I think this is to color family. I think some total of 6 themes, right? 6 and there's 6 items. I don't want to care for this. Okay, by default, now if what should I do? If by default it is a dark theme, then because I want to use all these as well, no? So let's just chuck this. Will not use this anywhere except for dynamic colors. And will this work? Let us try. Thing is, will it restart the app when I change the theme, or do I have to, or it happens automatically? That's the question. So oh, okay. So put a default value. This gives me an idea. Uh, the moment this changes, I have to inform the main activity. So I have to pass a function to the settings. It's not applying. Why? It's always light. Now mm, this is scope. There was a fit on life cycle. Okay. Mm, it's not there. Inside this, I will uh, this is a compose function, I know. So basically, with uh, is it okay to uh, I don't know. Like I want, yeah, fine, I know. This will have to. I'm thinking maybe this is not a good idea. If passing the hmm, Can I put a default value here? Import which state is this? And why do you need to import again? Already here, no? I don't know which one. Oof. Now for that idea. So what I was thinking was where wait, I'll write it and I'll then explain. So firstly, this home screen, I'm going to uh, move a lot of these elements. Like I had done with, I think top app bar I did, right? Yeah. So the other things also, and I'll and then also category tags. All right. Mm. Um, Item, what is less than item? Then you finish this off with the line. Not interested right now. I think I put it. I think only top I want. That's what this means. My mouse is not working for some reason. Popular recipes, then the next was items. So items would be this. And the item content would be recipes card. How come? What is it? Let's see. Items dot regressive size is fine. It would be naturally that. So may I don't see. This will not. Let's try. No, so then I'll only have 3 items here. So this is it is number items that is correct. Then what? Why was I getting confused? The recipes card. So I'm passing. Yeah, never mind. Categories I have to put now. Give me automatically. Dude. Uh, Not bad. What was the state called, bro? Mhm. No point though. Anyways, I just have to pass the state. So, and this has to happen through your remember coroutine scope. I do that. Wait, I have always wanted to. This function should be in the here somewhere. I think this is done. Let me just start with caching. I had skipped a few things, right? For onboarding and all. So let me just quickly summarize all the things that I've done. Firstly, I've added domain to the main activity because I wanted to use the theme object that is in core. No, so no, that was already there. For domain, I've used because I wanted to use data store functions. Category tags, this I moved. These are all from home screen. I made changes in home screen, and I think I moved all of these components. I created one composable with the title and lazy column, and that I'm using it here everywhere. So this part gets condensed to this part. Okay, see this part becomes this. Okay, and like this recipe card and all, I've moved it to the UI folder. Now in ViewModel, this is just I was testing something. I'll remove this. Yeah, no changes here. Main activity में I have initialized the view model. Then from view model, I'm getting the theme, a state with life cycle. So whenever this changes, this will also change here. And yeah, so that way, like what I had done was I passed state here last time, and then I was this dot value and then comparing it like this. So this is better naturally. I'll just get rid of this. There's one more here. When it was dark mode, dark theme, then use dark scheme, but then I already have so many items, so last resort is last scheme. Okay, anyways, themes and see main activity, view model, main activity, search screen. Okay, I'll add themes everywhere when I want to. Okay, that's not a problem now. I've removed the theme from here. The CRSAB card is already there in themes. Okay. That that's it. Now we'll see.